right, we're gonna introduce today my buddy Glenn Heiner, aka beep 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 beep.
Old man.
Call him a lot of stuff, usually not old man. We ain't got a truck today. Gonna pull the rear end and stuff out of it. I ain't sure what all we're gonna do. We're gonna pull the transmission. It's got turbo 400 that we will use at a later date. It's got an 8-lug rear end. It's 2-wheel drive truck, but anyways, the square body that he pretty much done, I'll just say, is at the garage. You know, I built it. Got the money. Anyways, got an that in my eye. Put a 5.3 in it. It just ain't got the power that it should, in my opinion, but I think it's got a lot to do with, number one, weight of the truck. It is a 4-wheel drive truck. I think it's got 308 gears. So the owner, my buddy, is wanting to put some gears in it, which that's something we don't do. Like I said, we just kind of throw stuff together. It ain't nothing perfect. So we found him 8-lug rear end out of this truck, and he's going to search, or I'm going to search for another 8-lug front end that matches. Gonna put that in there and hopefully give it some more power. I ain't too sure. If somebody on here wants some parts off this truck, holler. It's got a really nice cab with a good title. Rockers, and the cab corner's got a little rust, but the rockers and stuff look mint on that thing.
They're solid.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how, I mean, it's hard to find them trucks anymore. There's not $8 pieces, but the bed's gone, it's spoken for. I may take the front suspension off. Might use that on the rat rod project coming up to get it low. But I was wanting to lay frame, but you can't with those trucks because the steps are about, I think, 18 inches lower than the bottom of the frame. So, but anyway, that's what's going on. We're gonna get this thing back to the shop. I've got ate up with mosquitoes. Oh man, I got tore up. That's because I'm so sweet, is what it is. And none of them bit Glenn, which I can understand why.
I'm smart
you
enough
just
to wear
look at
jeans.
Yeah, I got some shorts on. But anyways, until next time. Yeah. Woo! But the cam's on fire too. Oh, it's still on fire. Yeah, well, it runs. I don't know. Might burn your house down, but it run. What is it?
Plate?
Hell, if you can't pick it up, it's probably 2 pounds. Ooh, put that back in there. It looks like work. Everything is for sale. It's pretty rough, though. Hood's really nice. Good glass. Door right here ain't too bad other than that. Got some pedals or something. Glenn's wanting to keep 8 balls. Between these 8 balls and the 100 stickers
Fuck you, your 8 ball.
that he's got on his Jeep, he gets 2 miles a gallon.
And the cowboy sticker in the back window.
We ain't even gonna get into football, but anyways, seat's pretty rough, but I mean, it could be recovered. You know, bed's spoken for. Got a nice back bumper.
Pine needles, no extra charge.
Pine needles, no extra charge.
Power brake booster, good deal.
Let's see what else. Oh, look. That's a Glenn sticker. Does not play well with others.
Yeah, fix it to be worse.
Yeah.
Fix it to get worse.
This fender is really nice other than it's got a ding right here and it's rust on there. I mean, it's fixable. 305 first year of fuel injection. It runs. We fired it up. Had a little fire. Ain't gonna lie. You know. I got video of it. Sends your hair off my knuckles. But anyways, good radiator.
Good mirrors.
Yeah, mirrors good.
Good stock mirrors.
I think the grill could be painted, but I don't think it's broke. It's just, no, it's broke. It's not good. I'll sell it to you though. That's about it. We're gonna tear this thing apart. Fast forward 2 hours later. I ripped this thing apart. Well, I have. Glenn's been underneath there messing with 2 bolts. I had to edit that out.
Do what?
I had to edit that out.
Well, then, you don't keep dropping your shit, you're going to do a lot of editing.
Really nice door support in this thing. Cow's in good shape. There's a radiator. I'm gonna use that for something else. Doors ain't all that great, but they're not rusted though. I mean, most of these doors are rusted all to pieces. They got some dents and dings, but I was surprised that they weren't rusted out. Got that thing fired up for a second, but it caught fire. I guess you'll see it in the video. I'm really thinking about unbolting. I don't even think it's a word. Unbolt this and use this whole cross member on the rat rod truck. It's a C60 or a 50, but I could airbag it and get it down at least where the steps touch the ground. But I ain't decided yet. I got to do some measuring on this frame and the other one, see if it'll even work. All right, buddy, help me with this motor mount. That's kind of what I was wanting you to do.
That's all right.
I hope it breaks your hand.
Yeah, I'm fucking anyway.
I just got the big impact on
Oh,
it.
is that all? Just the big one? All right, go ahead.
Oh, man. I didn't hear. Pro tip of the day, dropping stuff in the oil bucket. I'll let y'all in on a secret. The secret is don't do it. Don't drop nothing in there. That's all I got for you, mate.
You did make sure you got plenty of magnets on there.
Yeah. Sorry, Glenn will clean it off. Oh, that's great. Get it in there. One thing about it, ain't gonna rust, is it?
I got a place.
What?
I got a place.
What? Let it be something stupid. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm in the mood. Just let it be something stupid. Go ahead. You gonna ask it or what? Got scared, did you? Huh? What don't make no sense? What are you trying to figure out? That bolt, that nut right there goes to the motor mount.
I know what that nut goes to.
Well, what are you trying to figure out?
Where the hell the other nut for this one to?
Right there.
No. Wrong again.
You look like a roly-poly under there.
I probably did. Best thing ever built in this shop. Right here. How are you?
Find it? What, was you scared it was going to be in a motor or something?
No, it was just curious today. So this is
Man, look at the cab on this thing. I mean, look at the mounts. That's crazy that thing's in that good shape.
Floorboard's a little sketchy down here now. I look at them.
Are they?
Yeah, right here is a little sus. I guarantee you one thing, I've seen 1,000 times worse.
So got a little rust on the floorboard?
Just a little bit. I guarantee you
There's that
ain't nothing you
400,
can't
baby.
fix. Ain't nothing little spray foam and shit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, of course. That spray foam it.
Hey, you've seen it just like I have.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of it
You've
before.
seen it just like I have, bro.
But we ain't going to do that. I know a
You say
guy.
we's gonna do it.
I know a guy.
I'm saying.
It sounded like you was saying we was going to do it.
Yeah, you know a guy, all right. Yeah. I know a guy shit getting old.
I'm about ready to pull this thing. I've had some people in the past ask me about this lift in the garage. These ceilings was not high enough, so we ended up going up, and then the rafters, I guess you call them A-frame. I lag bolted them. Let's see if I can show you here. See if I can draw you a picture, but like this, and of course this come across. I cut them here and run a board up to here and here and bolted them. Then I went up here with a 2x8 across, and I actually bolted them with I think it was 3 bolts. But it's 5 of them are like that up there, and I moved the ceiling up. It's worked so far. we've had a bunch of snow, and I ain't never had no trouble out of it. We actually sheetrock this thing, so don't judge. I've never done that before, but insulated, sheetrocked, and it's helped a lot. Usually, if it's hot outside, the AC's running. I just got a 220 unit, and it keeps it pretty cool in here. And then wintertime, it heats too. So I have a furnace, old furnace put up there, but we run it one time. My brother-in-law does all that, and it was smoky in here, so he's got to come back and look at it. But I don't think we need it. That 220 unit does just fine. My God, man, I've been up here for like 30 minutes. Are you going to at least try to take it loose? Are you going to at least try to take one loose? Could just took a wrench to him by now.
Huh?
Could done took a wrench to him by now.
I'll take a fucking ratchet to him.
Huh?
You're probably going to have to take a ratchet to him.
Just take a ratchet to him. My butt's hurting. Sitting on here so long.
So are my ears.